Do you see this? Completely glueless. I mean, what?
Anything with the guitar on when I was a kid, you know.
Hey guys, welcome back. So as you guys saw, today we are using Shelike. It's a cute little bob, which I think is perfect for the spring or summer. You don't want too much hair going on. It looks really cute. I like how they styled it. Yeah, we shall see how it looks when we put it on. So before anything, you guys already know, slick my edges back, which I've already done. And I'm gonna use the wig cap that they've provided, the darker one. Now, I always say I like to use a wig cap because I like to use the combs in the wig to make sure it's secured, but I simply don't like them pulling on my natural hair. So this is like an extra layer of protection. It's almost like, you know, when people do weaves, they have like the net to protect their hair. Well, this is what this is giving. It's like a layer to protect my hair from being pulled. You feel me? So yeah, as you guys saw, everything has been pre-cut. Lace is pre-cut. Before I put it on, I'm just gonna tint the lace slightly. I'm just gonna use my foundation. I've used this to do my makeup, so there's excess makeup on it. And I'm just gonna put it quickly on it. It has more of a chocolate undertone, if that's even the right word to use, but I don't know if you guys can tell at all. But I have used the adjustable straps, as you guys can see. I didn't make them extremely tight, but tight enough. And I'm also gonna make this as tight as it goes. Now, because I'm gonna wear glueless, I want to make sure that I use everything that they've provided in the wig, just to make sure that it stays on really secured. Now I'm just using the combs. See, I don't want to tuck it in my cornrows, so I like to tuck it like so. You see? So it kind of protects my hair and it gives me like a facelift. Oh, come on. So is this a side part or a middle part? Because now I'm confused. Okay, so I'm guessing this is supposed to be a side part wig, which I did not know. Or is it just me? No, it's definitely giving side part. Right. Yeah, it is, because if it wasn't a side part, the middle part would be right here where the comb is. So yeah, this is a side part. So I did not have any expectations of the wig. Everybody's face is different. You cannot look at the model and be like, that's exactly how I'm gonna look. Maybe a little bit, but not exactly. You just have to make it work for you. Okay. Right, so now that I know it's a side part, I can fully embrace the side part. So let's make it work. Now this is the love-hate relationship I have with pre-cut lace. Now everything looks perfect. I mean, you can't even see the lace, barely. And then you come here and you're like, Oh my god. Okay guys, so that's it really. I can't lie, I really like the wig. Like honestly, this is straight out of the box. The only thing I really did that made a difference for me is to add foundation on the lace. I told you guys it'll make a big difference. And yo, what lace? It's like damn, no lace, this is growing out of my scalp. But let me shock you. You see this? Do you see this? Completely glueless. I mean, what? It blends in perfectly with my skin, and that's what I'm talking about. And let's just appreciate the style. I really like the style. I like how it's like Bobbiana here and a little swoops, swirls, whatever going on here, like waves. I love this style. It's very cute, very cute. Like I don't know if it's gonna stay like this, but I like the concept. You know what I mean? If it does go flat, I would definitely redo it because I really like it. I mean, it's such a cute little wig. And you guys saw I didn't have to do a lot. This is straight out of the box. Thank you to Shelike Hair for sponsoring today's video. I'm very grateful. I really like this wig. It's definitely different from anything I've ever had. From the color to the style, I really like it. So thank you so much. I will leave all the details on the wig in the description box, guys. Every video I do, I try to get a discount code for you guys so you guys can save some money. So leave your appreciation by liking this video, and also leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. I would love to hear your opinion. And yeah, have a blessed day, and see you in my next video.